Good day, Pinoy Clicksters and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. Congratulations to the De La Salle University Green Archers. Let's go! Okay, so we have here a special Funko Pop, which is an official merchandise of De La Salle University, Manila, here in the Philippines. Okay, as you know, I am an employee, a faculty member of De La Salle University, Manila, and we just won the UANP Season 86 men's basketball tournament. Okay, it's one of the biggest collegiate sports in the country, and after 7 long years, the champs are back. Okay, so I decided now is the time to unbox this Funko Pop. So this is number 15 from the, I guess, University Funko Pop College series. Okay, so it's a vinyl figure, and you can see the mascot of the university, Green Archer. Okay, so Green Archer, number 15. And this is the facade of the university with our tagline, "The future begins here." Okay, so De La Salle University, if you are unfamiliar with it, is the top private university in the country. Okay, Green Archer, and at the back, this was made 2021, so 2 years ago. Okay, so but before that, let's dump some Heroclix Green Archers. These are from the X-Men X of Sword set. These are the green priestesses, so just like archers. Yeah. Okay, so we're not gonna look at their dial. I just want to have more green in this video. Okay, so let's take a look. Open up our Funko Pop. Okay, it's a straightforward video. We can see here, not much in terms of detail. There's no, what you call this, holder. There's no holder because it can stand up or stand on its own. Yeah. Okay, so let's take a look. So it's not a bubble head. Okay, it's just a solid head. So typical of Funko, big eyes, big head, tiny body. Okay, so you can see that the crossbow, okay, is straight. And then we have here spare arrows. Okay, so green hat and a long white feather. That's it. So congratulations to the team. It's been a while since I've watched a game as well. Game number 1, we lost by 30 points. Game number 2, we won by 22 points. And earlier, the deciding winner-take-all game number 3, we won by, I think, 4 points. Okay, so, but a win is a win. And we're happy that we're the champ. Let's go!